I can't believe I'm saying this, but Donald Trump is celebrating his 80th birthday. Wait, I'll say it again. Donald Trump, the President of the United States, is celebrating his 80th birthday by hosting a cage fight on the White House lawn. I'm not making this up. This is not a Simpsons episode. This is not a South Park episode. This is real life. And I want to talk about it. So, okay, Trump administration is sued over illegal and corrupt, quote unquote, UFC event on White House lawn. This has been going on for a few days where this picture, if you can see on the screen, is a real picture of our real White House that we own as US citizens. The president is a resident of the White House. He is not the owner of the White House. Any president is a visitor for 4 to 8 years, a guest, if you will, like at an Airbnb. And what if your Airbnb guest erected this on the lawn? What would you think of it? So I just wanted to hear your opinions of this. I was at the White House in, I want to say 2016, 2016, right before Obama left. He had a South by South Lawn event, which is like South by Southwest, the big event that happens in Austin. He had that version of it at the lawn. It was really cool. There's been many events that have happened at the White House. His was the coolest because he is a cool person, and Leonardo DiCaprio was there, and different people were there, and there was like thousands of us, and it was very diverse and very cool, and just a beautiful spirit about it. As we all knew he was about to leave. Um, I mean, I guess that's this here, but he didn't like do anything that caused the need for, let's say, all of the lawn to be ripped up. And I don't know what that's going to look like when it's gone. But here's the thing. They're saying that Trump wants to keep it there. So do you think, let me know in the comments, do you think that he should have it to begin with and should he keep it there? Do you think I'm overreacting? Do you think that people are overreacting? Let's see what others have to say. Actually, let me uh, make sure you can hear it. Do you think anybody's overreacting or do you think this is ridiculous?
Will take place. The White House getting ready to host a first of its kind UFC fight on the South Lawn. And that event has sparked some controversy. Of course, it survived a legal challenge. It now faces another uncertain one. We're talking about the weather, of course, as Mary just detailed. So
We'll talk about that in a second because it's supposed to rain tonight and this is outdoors. And yes, there's this little part right here that has, could protect the athletes from the rain. But what about the 1,000 people? I think it holds 4,000 people. Oh, I hope it rains. But that's just me. I'm petty like that. Okay, this caught my attention. I don't know if this is going to play. Hopefully, this plays. This is Bloomberg's website. I think it will play. Maybe it will be blocked. But basically, this is Joe Rogan giving his opinion. You would think Joe Rogan, UFC, cage fighting, Trump, you'd think he'd be all for it, but
what will they be using for a locker room inside the White House? And will the administration make good on initial plans to have the fighters exit from the Oval Office?
Why are you not looking forward to the White House fight?
Well, it's kind of a gimmick. It's going to be a security nightmare.
That's true.
You're on the White House lawn. Also, they're fighting outside. What if it rains? What if it's hot?
This is not a normal environment for these fighters to be outdoors in the elements.
yeah. So again, if that didn't play, basically Rogan is saying that it's a gimmick, it's outdoors, what if it rains, it's a security nightmare, etc. Dare I say I agree with Joe Rogan today on this topic? I it's important that we know this stuff. It's not just gossip. I mean, this is our president and this is our White House and this is our government. And um I don't think it's the most egregious thing he's ever done. It certainly isn't. It's like one of the most normal things for him that he's ever done. But who's paying for this? I want to know that personally. I want to know where I always follow the money. Like who's paying? Are we paying for? I guess we are, right? I know there's sponsors, but you know that we're paying for. You know he's not. Obviously, he's not paying. He's not going to come off of any kind of money. So yeah, will this video help you make more money? I hope it does in some way, shape, or form. I hope that it teaches you what not to do. Uh, but do I still release it because I just had to say this out loud and it's my YouTube channel and it's like I treat it like my podcast? Yeah. I have 800 other long form videos that teach you how to make money, by the way. Go check them out. Just click on my name below. Make sure you're subscribed. Click on my name below. You'll see so many videos that teach you how to make money starting today. And you can go into my free membership, your first 5K for free. We're doing summer school all summer from June through September. We're doing summer school, and it's where I teach you business training for free, and people are actually making money from it already. So come on in. It's fun. 30,000 people. We will not be cage fighting, but it's still going to be fun.